They left their car here and everything, dude. That's freaky. Little jump to the street.
Non-emergency police department. We've got a guy on a motorcycle.
And then you can come over here and hit this. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. The first thing I want to say is thank you guys so much for 6,000 subscribers. Today we got a cool video. I know you guys love abandoned stuff, so we're going to be going to an abandoned house that I saw the other day. It looked like the door was wide open, so I should be able just to walk right in. But after that, we're going to go try to find some urban jumps and stuff like that. This guy's watching me right now, so I feel super weird. I've really got to get new gloves. These things are so big. Alright guys, we're going to cut through the neighborhood and make our way over to this abandoned house. I'm freezing my balls off today. It's so windy. Let's hit this little jump that I hit like 2 videos ago. Little jump to the street. It's pretty fun. The only thing that's going to be sketchy is we're going to be right next to the police station, so hopefully they don't see us. Yo, look at this. They left their car here and everything, dude. God damn. The door's wide open too. Let me go find somewhere to put the bike at. Yo, this is so creepy. Alright. Dang, this is nuts. There's a beer can in the car. They left everything here. Hello? Yo. This place probably hasn't been touched in forever. That's freaky. Jesus, they destroyed everything in here, dude. This whole property is abandoned. What is this little like trap door? This house is definitely from like the 60s. There's glass everywhere. This couch doesn't look all that old though. Alright, well this person just saw me in here, so I'm about to get out of here. It's probably not smart to be doing this like midday. Check out this spot I found like 2 days ago. It's got a couple nice ditches. Hit that, and then you can come through here, kind of dodge these drains, which is really sketchy. And then you can come over here and hit this last one. But then you go into the trees here. Alright boys, we made it to the skate park. This place sucks for dirt biking, so not gonna do much here, but hit the hip I guess once. What is this guy doing? Oh boy.
Got the wrong extension. I was trying to call the non-emergency police department. We've got a guy on a motorcycle out at one of our skate parks, the Plainfield Park District. You know, we've been chasing people out of here for years, and you know.
Just trying to call the not 911, but the non-emergency.
Correct. We've got like 9 or 10 different entrances here, and they all have signs posted about no motorized vehicles.
Yeah, this is just the e-bike.
I get that, but e-bikes aren't allowed. I mean, an e-bike, as long as it has pedals, is allowed. This does not have pedals.
Yeah.
Right, so it's a violation, and you know, like I said, I see mud all over, so I don't know if they came from our park or not.
No, that was just from my backyard.
I get you, man, but you can't have this in our parks.
Okay.
You know, so we're gonna let them sort it out real quick.
Okay. Well guys, of course my battery died, but long story short is that guy was on the phone with the cop, and the cop was a dirt biker as well, so he pretty much just said to let me go, so I got like super lucky. Alright y'all, let's hit this jump right here. This one's always fun. Turn back around. guy's watching me. Saw some fresh dirt. You already know we have to hit it. So muddy, man. It's nasty. The mud's flying everywhere. Alright guys, the bike's on 9%, so that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this, definitely drop a like. And if you're new here, drop a sub. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching as always, guys. Peace out.